Right. Then with the SIGs, that sit taller in the hand. Just go ahead, load, Nick, ready. Still hot when you feel like it.
You don't need to want this you want it to get engaged. Just like that with the gun, point the thing down. With your right hand, you're going to hold it just like this. You're going to get your right up to here. You're going to take your left hand. You're going to lay this on top. So if you hold it, so you're going to go straight like that.
Getting the hang of that one with the different trigger placement. So
Exactly.
Just walk up. I'll move my finger in just seems like well, I guess a couple shots center line was close to the word.
Almost more than I let this thumb sit right on top of your hand.
Also try a little bit different grip.
There you go. Perfect.
As a right-handed shooter, we've got this negative space. Treat it like a puzzle piece. Okay. Plug your support hand right into it. Okay. So if you figure in terms of holding a rifle, right? So all we're doing is that rifle hold and bringing it in here. Okay. And what that's going to do is allow us to, oftentimes right-handed shooters will shoot left or low and left. By having the support hand ride the slide or slide frame, you're not going to get cut, hurt, burn. The action moves too fast. You're almost providing a counterbalance. That gun's not going to move. If we take that away, the gun's going to the left. So you can rapidly engage targets in succession with that support hand. In a pinching move, clamshell grip, palm in the negative space, press that thumb against the slide and frame. If you don't feel comfortable, just do the frame. Okay. Add the same amount of trigger finger you would before, and you're going to notice how much more steady that firearm's going to be in your hand. Sounds good. I've done that a few times.
All right, we're good. There you go. Now, nice. Let that front sight. Pull that trigger real slow. Let it surprise you.
To have that kind of grip takes a massive distance. Because an inch turns into feet. 2 seconds, you know, so the that hand, the more accurate you're going to be. So stretch it out, keep doing headshots. Never advising headshots. Just in this instance, that's the cleanest part of the paper for us to see where you're going.
So awesome.
Yeah, the different thumb grip.
Use the clamshell grip. That left hand should be squeezing your right hand. And then in turn, the only freedom of movement both hands will have is that trigger finger.
That's awesome. So you want it to be a surprise. You don't make it click. You want it. There you go.
So you knew you pulled that last one.
Yep.
The one before it.
I don't care about
The one before it went through a hole and already hit 3 or 4 times. So you were inherently already more of an accurate shooter than when you just started.
All right, let's see where you're at here.
Thought there was only 5 still in there. I cheated, I threw a few more in there.
Yeah, that's what I was like.
All right, so you can see here's where you've got at least 3 hits right there. So at distance, that's a lock up your hands and have the most stable platform to go from. That just doesn't move. Some of these older school grip techniques that are taught, the gun can just move around too much at distance. So, on average, gun finds that distance would occur at, you would have repeatedly hit a target in multiple successive rounds. So let's just stretch it out. Let's go out to 15.
Whoa. Big boy stuff now. Big boy now.
Yeah. Woo. Sure that's not 50?
Right. We have a competition out every other Monday. It starts off at 5 yards, you get 8 seconds for 5 shots on the bullseye. It goes all the way out to 20 yards. So,
I'm not that kind of a shooter.
it wouldn't take long. You'd be surprised. You've already got that grip is so hard to teach people, and that's.
You have to try. Lately I've gotten into throwing hatchets and axes. Give you a 1-2
While
follow.
the world runs out of bullets, that's a great skill to have. All right, go ahead, load, make ready.
All right. See how you did.
Now this is the distance that we talked about saving some clean spots on the paper, so maybe the right shoulder. Okay. And then when we got to 25, aim at what would be their right shoulder, which would be the left to us. So aim at that to what we notice as the right shoulder. Okay.
You have a point there.
Go back towards you.
Good job, man. A lot of fun, Now I've tried all 5.
You got that up your belt. Now you can say been there. Good deal. Glad you came out.
Are they make this in all calibers?
Now, this is kind of their carry model. The 17 is a full-size 9mm. Lock 19 is a little bit reduced.
Take that off.
Grip, so
All right.
seal. But they make 4 other 9mm models. These are 8
Were you aiming for the right shoulder? Hey Cash, were you aiming for the right shoulder?
The right shoulder?
Or this right shoulder?
Oh, that right shoulder.
Okay.
Did I aim the wrong one?
No, that's fine.
Oh, I misunderstood.
No, you're good. We're gonna be going here next. Okay. That's great.
bullets are designed now.
See if good old Cash can hit 25 yards. So everyone, this is what Cash is aiming for. This right shoulder.
Don't tell him. In case I miss it.
Did he load 12 or did he load 13? I can't remember.
Oh, I'll take it.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, load, make ready.
Yeah.
No, I actually.
No, that's perfect. Now you can see the shift of the point of aim versus point of impact when we are beyond the point. Point of aim, point of impact for this pistol is 0. So point of impact for this pistol is probably between 10 and 15 yards. Now you'll see, do I hold over or do I hold under?
What's that? It sure is. It's gotten pretty common. So yeah. I wanted kind of like the cowboy guns Yeah, you bet.
Thank you.
Not even hitting it.
I've got
People are. Well, our Marines still got to shoot. He's got to show this Navy guy how to do it.
I don't think I hit it at all.
Dun, dun, dun. Moment of truth.
Yeah, I'm gonna be buying beer.
Don't be surprised. It's on paper.
I didn't even hit it. Golly. Yeah.
That is all the difference in the trigger finger at that distance. It's an incredible difference that it makes on how
yeah.
rock solid that can be.
I've got a 308.
So I'm pushing too much because it looks like I put more in here. Or here.
Or at that distance, it's actually possible to have too much finger on the trigger
Right?
and it's going to run over. I'm over exaggerating so you can see what's happening.
Yeah, because I aimed here.
Right.
Yeah,
Now you
before
think
it.
just this little bit of movement, I could actually hit the other stall's target at 25 yards.
Sure. Yeah.
So that little bit of having too much finger on the trigger is all that causes that.
Wow.
So that's why it's incredibly important to find out at the different distances what you're doing, how the pistol works in conjunction with your body mechanics.
Right.
But this is outstanding. I mean, you just jumped into this platform for the first time. So
I liked it. I liked it.
another cheat that I know a lot of law enforcement officers do. Rapidly engaging targets at distance under duress, they'll purposely aim a little too far over to the right so that they hit their intended target.
Yeah. It's like playing golf
There's
almost.
a lot of non-admitted Kentucky windage going on.
Right.
Yeah.
But knowing that they'll jerk the trigger,
Right.
certain officers will compensate maybe a distance they're already aiming here.
Wow.
So,
Awesome.
all right.
Thanks a lot, bud.
Yeah, absolutely, guys. Appreciate you coming out tonight. All right. All right.
Dun, dun, dun. All right, now it's my turn.
You gonna go?
And I'll grab a target.
Here, keep aiming. Take a picture.
Hey, I'm happy with it.
Aim higher.
Not too bad for not having shot a pistol in ages and ages. So, I'll take it. Okay. All right. I'm gonna stop this feed. Start another one on my other page.